Yeah, oh man. Good evening. Hope you guys are good. I like to speak, I like to connect with everybody, especially on what a crazy quarter has been. Crazy quarter has been. First 3 months of this year, honestly, has been one of the craziest. Financially, trading, personally for myself, I think everybody else experiencing quite a similar thing. So there are times like these where even what you do best sometimes cannot give you the best results. I mean, I spent my whole life trading. It's what I do, it's what I live for. But obviously I do have some things that I used to distract myself, like obviously I read my books, I watch my movies in my cinema, obviously. I do record a bit of music here and there, but most importantly, I make sure that I remain focused, no matter what the challenges are, and I stick to the plan. I might obviously face hurdles and challenges in the way, but I stick to the plan. So as being a trader, y'all obviously know that with my platform, that I show and expose to you guys, that you guys have seen the most realistic side of the market, and you get to have an idea of what actually happens in trading. Is that it's not all glim and glamour, it's not all shiny and all the best things, behind all the success and all the profitable days are also some big challenges, and we do take losses, even the biggest pioneers, myself, I take losses all the time, but it's just always making sure that at the end of the challenge, at the end of the plan, at the end of the day, you always come out top. That's the main goal. So even if you're going through challenges and you feel like you just can't do it anymore, don't give up, don't do it. Trust me, trading is one of the most craziest, best ever industry to ever be a part of. This is an industry where you are not employed. You don't have to call to anybody. You make your money whenever you want, and income is guaranteed, definitely. So if you're going through a phase like mine right now, you feel like you're blowing accounts and you're losing money, don't lose hope. Just sit back, draw your plan, go back into your into your mode and work on yourself. If it's discipline that you're lacking, then apply that. Because I know I've been lacking a lot of risk management. I've been losing money because of risk management. So that's a small thing, I can deal with that. But maybe you have a different challenge. Challenge yourself, work on that. The smallest mistakes that you make, fix that. That could definitely be one thing that you can use to actually better your skills going forward. Don't give up on yourself. I'm in countless hours in the office, working. And my neighbors think I don't work. When they see me, they're like, here's this guy. But they don't know what I do in this house. I never drive out like they do in the morning, and I never drive in like they do in the evening. But I'm in this house, and I'm crafting. I'm going as hard as I can. So activate that beast mode in you. We all got that beast thing. Activate that shit, man. You need it. Trust me. Let me get back to work.